Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about the Donna Plus flat iron. What's unique about the flat iron is it's got 3 heat settings. So we've got 170, 190 and 230. So when I'm working on finer hair, to stop putting it under any unnecessary stress, I keep the temperature a lot lower. You will notice as well the Italian design of the flat iron. It's absolutely lovely to hold in the hand. It's not too heavy and it's not too bulky. So when you're using it for curls, it feels like it's actually part of your hand. The important thing about this iron is that it's got a microchip underneath here, underneath the ceramic plate, and it checks the temperature at 50 times a second. Why is that important to me is because when I'm actually straightening the hair from root to tip, I need consistency of heat, and that will give me shine throughout the hair. The Donna Plus comes with spring-loaded plates. There's a spring just embedded underneath the plate here. So what that means is, as I put the iron towards the hair and address it in, there's no strong lines, and I get that really smooth finish from root to tip. On the Donna Plus, there's a slight bevel just across the edges of the plates. This is designed for anyone that really enjoys curling hair with the iron. So as you go and address it in, it curls around and follows the bevel down.